What's up with y'all, man? Man, we back. Me and A-Dawg back in the cut, man. We in the building. We working. We working in the garage. Man, I ain't gonna lie. We got a whole new, not a whole new set, but we got a better light in this jump. So yeah, y'all can see some more. Y'all can get a way better view, even when it's dark outside. Y'all can get a better view of what we got going on in this jump, man. We got the good. We got the stunt bike 196 mini bike. You feel me? Got the good SYX 58 in the cut, you feel me? That jump kind of just gave up on us the other day, I'm not gonna lie. And then we got the 58cc 2-stroke. So yeah, y'all, this just gonna be a little episode. I should probably name these like garage days or whatever. We got the EM-5 today, right? So y'all know I like to do wheelies. What I wanna do, I wanna lower the PSI of these tires, cause let me fill y'all in on something. I've been hitting wheelies with this bike, and the other red bike y'all been seeing with the tires at the max PSI, right? So the tires were like very hard. And ChatGPT told me that having max PSI on a tire will make wheelies harder. So I'm like, oh. This whole time I've been practicing wheelies on hard mode the whole time, y'all. So, we about to lower the PSI on one of my E-motos for right now. And basically just see, because I've been practicing on max PSI the whole time. We already have air out both the wheels right now. We're gonna fill it up to maybe the rear. It's probably gonna be from 15 to 20 PSI. And the front gonna be like at 20 to, let's ask ChatGPT right now, what's a good PSI to fill the rear tire. It says wheelies on the EM-5. This is the Valtinsu EM-5 right here. The sweet spot for wheelies would be 22 to 26 at the rear and 24 to 26 at the front. So what we about to do is we about to put 24 in the rear and then we about to put 25 in the front according to ChatGPT. We ain't about to waste no time. What I'm about to do is I'm about to just get it right there, set the machine to 24. What they say do, 24? 24 in the rear, 25 in the front. Let's get to it, let's get busy. Let's do it like this then. Oh, it's working this way. So right now, so all right. Let's see, let's put 24 right there. Cool, now we about to put the front at 25. And we should have a proper setup for the tires for the wheelies. But yeah, y'all. We got this tire in check. Now we about to get the front to 25. And then we gonna test on the next day to see what's up with this jump. To see how it performs. Kind of been practicing these wheelies for a little minute. We got the proper PSI in the tire. We'll be right back. We about to tension the chain up and then we're gonna call it for this episode. Alright, so just get like a 17, like one of these. Keep it real simple. Loosen it up. Adjust up.
You're missing your part.
So what I need is a 10 and a 12 now, right? We got here. And we're gonna adjust this to tighten. Cause yeah, we need to tighten it up now. I'm going lefty loosey. And the 10 just lefty loosey on it. And you pushing the wheel back as you do that. So now we lefty loosen it up with the right side. Doing the same thing. Go in there and ask mommy what she wanted to eat. The same, almost the same clearance that I just gave. And if we could look at it, it looked pretty good. It looked pretty good. So let's get the 12. I bet. So we got the chain tension, y'all. Got the PSI right. And you feel me? We just about to bolt the rear tire. Bolt the rear wheel back. And yeah, we're gonna do the same to the other bike too. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this episode. And like I said, man, we locked in. We getting real active. We doing everything, man. We dipping and dabbing in everything. Mini bike builds, e-moto, all that. Little kid bikes, all that. Build motors. That's Garage Day Part 1, I guess. So until the next one, man, y'all have a good one, man. Y'all have a good rest of y'all day, good rest of y'all night, whenever y'all seeing this. Till the next one. Boom.